Hello and welcome. You have tuned into Headlines Now with me, Linda Hercules. Before we move into all the stories in detail, let's take a quick look at the top headlines. An advertising blitzkrieg on the UPA government said to cost the exchequer 100 crore rupees is the government bidding goodbye to austerity. Coimbatore sees a shocking murder of a girl by her lover after parents expressed their discontent over relationship. 5 people killed after Hapa Tirunelveli Express rams into a car at an unmanned level crossing in Kerala. At least 24 people feared dead in North Sikkim owing to flash floods and landslides triggered by torrential rains. ICC defends the staging the 2020 World Cup during monsoon, says it's not feasible to accommodate it owing to a tight schedule. And India takes a lovable deaf-mute boy in Ranveer Kapoor's Barfi all the way for Oscar nominations. News in detail. After Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh's address to the nation on Friday explaining why his government had to take some tough decisions on fuel hike and FDI in retail, an image makeover exercise for the UPA government is set to begin. An advertising blitzkrieg bombarding the print and electronic media to carry the message of the government to the people is expected soon. But this high voltage campaign comes at a cost to the public exchequer, a whopping 100 crore rupees. However, given the government's own prescription for austerity, the question many are asking is, should the government not walk the talk?
अपना विज्ञापन देना, अपनी बात लोगों के बीच में बताना एक सरकार की जिम्मेदारी भी है, सरकार का हक भी है और इसीलिए आवश्यक है। बल्कि कभी-कभी तो ये यूपीए सरकार पे कहा जाता है कि आप अपनी नीतियां बदल देते हैं, कार्यक्रम ले आते हैं और जनता से संवाद नहीं करते। तो इश्तहार देना भी जनता के बीच में एक संवाद है और जब कोई महत्वपूर्ण कदम उठाया जाता है तो आवश्यक है कि ये संवाद हो। संवाद का अगर कोई खर्चा होता है तो फिर एक जेन्युइन खर्चा।
The opposition BJP has slammed the government over the advertisement plan to boost its image in wake of the nationwide campaign against fuel price hike and opening of the retail sector to foreign firms.
That is through the media advertisements will not be able to wash that taint. It has stuck to the UPA too and on the Prime Minister, and when the right time comes, people will give their verdict.
क्या जरूरत थी? संसद में दिया गया आश्वासन, उसके बावजूद जो है एफडीआई के लिए अधिसूचना जारी कर दी गई। क्या संसद की अवमानना करके, शायद यह पहली बार हुआ है कि संसद में दिए गए आश्वासन की अवमानना करके, संसद की अवमानना करके आनन फानन में विदेशी ताकतों के दबाव में एफडीआई लागू करने की अधिसूचना जारी कर दी।
On to news from the state, a young man murdered his girlfriend in Coimbatore after her parents refused to give their consent for the divorce marriage. The incident happened yesterday when the accused, a postgraduate student, first stabbed the girl, also a student, and then set her on fire by pouring kerosene all over her. He later stabbed her mother too before immolating himself. According to the police, the duo had been in a relationship for a few years, but the girl's parents had recently decided against giving their daughter's hand in marriage to the man. After several unsuccessful attempts to win her back, the accused, police say, took the extreme step.
அம்மாவை அடிச்சிருப்பாங்க உங்களுக்கு. அந்த அம்மா ரோட்டில் வெளியே கிடந்தாங்க கேட் முன்னாடி. அப்புறம் அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்து 108 வந்து இதுக்கு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டோம். போலீஸ்க்கு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். உள்ளே வந்து புகஞ்சிட்டு இருந்தது. என்னென்னு ஒர்க் பார்க்கல, 2 பேர் எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அது கொஞ்சம் தான் தெரியும் இப்போதைக்கு. கட்டி பிடிச்ச மாதிரி எரிஞ்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அது என்ன நடந்திருக்குன்னு மற்ற டீட்டெயில்ஸும் எனக்கு தெரியலைங்க கரெக்டாக. ஆனால் இது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப மன வருத்தமாக இருக்குது. இந்த ஏரியாவில் இப்போ நடக்க சம்பவம் இதுதான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு.
In another scene, 5 people were killed when their car was hit by the Hapa Tirunelveli Express at an unmanned level crossing nearby Arur. The accident that occurred around 3 p.m. has killed 3 people on the spot, while 2 others, including a 3-year-old child, were rushed to the hospital, where they were declared brought dead. Moving on, first the Samajwadi Party said they are starting a third front, and then party chief Mulayam Singh assures the UPA that he will support them after Mamata Banerjee pulled out. And now, a day after the SP chief kicked up speculation that he was garnering allies when he met Shiromani Akali Dal leaders, his son Akhilesh has said that the party is ready for elections anytime. Questioning the Prime Minister for his speech, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has hit out, asking who's responsible for the slowdown, the rulers or the people. Congress leader Jagdambika Pal expressed confidence of prolonged support from the regional Samajwadi Party post withdrawal of support from the government. The government faced the suspense of being in the minority after key coalition partner of the UPA, the regional Trinamool Congress Party, withdrew its support and its ministers tendered their resignations on Friday. Reportedly, it is believed that the SP is likely to support the TMC if the latter moves a resolution against the FDI proposal in the next session of Parliament.
आज समाजवादी पार्टी हमारे साथ है, हमारी सरकार के साथ है, इसलिए किन्हीं मुद्दों पे मतभेद होते हैं तो प्रजातंत्र में सहयोगी दलों में या जो बाहर से समर्थन दे रहे हैं मुद्दों पे मतभेद हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जहां तक समर्थन की बात है उस संबंध में माननीय मुलायम सिंह जी ने खुद रामगोपाल जी जो प्रवक्ता है उन्होंने स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि हमारा कोई निर्णय ममता जी के निर्णयों से या उनके समर्थन वापसी से कोई निर्णय प्रभावित होने नहीं जा रहा है.
Meanwhile, the BJP spokesperson Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi slammed the regional parties who extended support to the government while protesting against its economic policies.
आज देश जिस संकट और जिस चुनौतियों का सामना कर रहा है वो चुनौतियां महत्वपूर्ण है, इसलिए उसमें कोई भी सिक्योरिटी कवर या किसी तरह का कोई भी राजनीतिक एजेंडा आगे रख करके कोई भी राजनीतिक पार्टी अगर विरोध भी की फॉर्मेलिटी करना चाहेगी कि हम साहब विरोध की भी हमने फॉर्मेलिटी कर ली और सत्ता पक्ष को भी बचा के रखा, तो ये ठीक नहीं है. और कुछ पार्टियां ऐसी हैं जो हमेशा इस सरकार को ऑक्सीजन देने का काम करती रही हैं, इस सरकार के भ्रष्टाचार के सिंहासन को बैसाखी लगाने का काम करती रही हैं.
And departing from the BJP's official line over a series of alleged scandals swirling around the UPA government, party veteran BC Kanduri said that resignation by Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh was no solution to the political stalemate and called for political reforms to root out corruption instead of going for short-term solutions. Noting that the Prime Minister was a good economist, he said that he was unable to deliver owing to intense pressure. Calling for political reforms, he said that the time has come when the country must adopt a system where there should be some stability, like fixed tenures of the government. More news will follow after a short break. Stay with us.